Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change language on TradingView application using your mobile device. First of all, open up your TradingView app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner, and inside the menu section, click on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner. From the settings menu, click on language option, and this will take you to your device's language setting page, where you can tap on language and select a different language of your choice. This will also change the language setting for your device, since TradingView app uses your device's chosen language update for its interface as well. So that's how you can easily change your language setting on TradingView using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.